In this demo, I'll show how a legal team can review a large contract backlog using Codex, Box, and DigitalOcean. Here inside our legal folder, we have this folder called Legal Source of Truth. And if we look at one of these files, we now have new standards for our master service agreement and data processing addendums. If you check the clause playbook, we have this contract modernization clause playbook that tells us the review objective, scoring models, what the new AI usage, data processing, and liability cap standards are, and what the output requirements are. So these files are prepared by the legal team, and they have prepared this playbook so that the engineers can automate this entire process. Now back in our legal folder, if you go into contracts to review, you'll notice that we have hundreds of files in this folder that we need to modernize. And if you go to the developer workspace folder, there's a file called codextask.md file. This file is basically the prompt that we're going to feed Codex to tell it what to do, what workflows it needs to create, and what the output should be. So here we have mission, the folder layout, required input files, core workflows, and information on what Codex needs to know to successfully finish this task. Great, let's create this workflow and run the automation with the new ChatGPT Codex application. Now, if I were to do this locally with the Codex application, it'll take hours to review hundreds of contracts on the Box folder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the new DigitalOcean plugin that they just released a couple weeks ago to provision the droplet, have Codex running in the droplet, and give the long-running task to the DigitalOcean droplet so that I can close my computer and go have a walk and come back and have the work done. So to do that, first thing you have to do is you have to go to Plugins, search DigitalOcean, and install the plugin. Once the plugin is installed, just press this button right here, and it will take you to a new chat with that prompt preloaded. Just hit enter and wait for the magic to happen. It takes about 5 minutes for the droplet to be fully provisioned, so you can see that Codex has created a schedule to notify me after 5 minutes to check if the droplet is ready. Great, the droplet is provisioned. All you need to do is click this link right here, toggle this on, and sign into Codex. Now if you go to DigitalOcean, you can see that this droplet was provisioned and it is running. And now I can give Codex long-running tasks that will run on this droplet. Now one more thing you have to do here is that you have to connect Codex to Box using Box MCP. So to do that, go to Plugins, search Box, click on the Box plugin, and install the plugin. Now let's create a new project. Select Remote, click Next, and you'll notice that it's automatically connecting to the remote host that we just created. I'm going to select the Workspace folder, and I'm going to add project. Amazing. Now, this session is connected to the DigitalOcean droplet, and it's not running on my local computer, it's running on their VPS. Now, I'm going to ask Codex to use Box MCP to read the Codex task.md file on Box, create the workflow, and run the smoke test. The Codex has created the workflow and has completed the smoke test to check that the workflow works. Here's the contract workflow.python file that my Codex has created. And when we go back to the legal folder on Box and check out the review packets, you'll notice that the Acme Retail folder is now created and the smoke test was successful. Now that the workflow is ready to be run, I asked Codex to start the full contract review batch on the droplet to process every contract in the contracts to review folder and write the completed review packets and update them back to Box. Now you'll notice that Codex has created a remote task to do the full batch review on the contracts. And if you open the task, you'll see that it is running, but this is a completely remote session, so I don't need to have my Codex app running and have my laptop open for this. All right, I'll be back in about an hour. All right, let's see if Codex has completed the task. Now back in the Codex app, let's check out the remote task that it kicked off with DigitalOcean. You'll see that the task ran successfully. It processed 103 contracts, identifying 64 of them as high risk and 39 as medium risk. And if you look over here, you'll see that this task ran for 40 minutes and 7 seconds. So I'm really glad that I did this through the DigitalOcean droplet so that I could close my laptop, go on a walk, and come back and have all of this completed for me. Now let's go back to the legal folder on Box, check out the review packets folder, and now you'll see that we have all these folders created by Codex and uploaded to Box. Let's check out one of them. You'll see that now we have a contract summary.md file where it tells me the executive summary and what the issues were, proposed clause updates that goes into more details, and source citations as well for the legal team to review. And the beauty of this workflow is the fact that the legal team has never left the Box environment. The engineers created the workflow on Codex using DigitalOcean, and Codex did all the work, created the review packet, uploaded it back to Box so that the legal team can review it. And now the legal team can use the same Codex agent running on DigitalOcean to do further work on these review packets. This is the power of using Box as the governed source of truth for your company files and automate based on these unstructured content. So hey, if this is interesting to you, go sign up for the free developer account, link below, and start building your agentic workflows with Box.